Yvonne here. Just want to do a quick video to show you I finished my fairy tale kind of journal, and I made these. This is a journal made with file folder style, I should say. So all I did was make the book out of chipboard, and then I wrapped it with just the craft paper, like a paper bag, what you wrap gifts with. I wrapped it with that. And then this is, I believe it's called Out of the Woods, or from, if I'm right, it's from, I think Photoshop. I'm not quite sure. Not Photoshop, but I forget the name of it. But if you shop CFC Craft Canada, I believe that CFC Craft Supplies, Sandy has it for sale. That's who I bought it from. And the collection and the stickers, everything comes from her, actually. So this is what, it's totally different than some of the journals I made, but I just realized how much I missed making them. So I just kind of, to open it up, live your own fairy tale, and then fairy tale are more than true. Not because they tell us that dragon exists, but because they tell us dragons can be beaten. And I made a little pocket right here, and this is where they stay, so all their little treasures can be put. They have a little pocket. Here is an event of the smallest person can change the course of the future. And again, I put our adventure, a card. And another tab is today was a fairy tale. I thought it went really good with that. They can either put a picture or do what they want with it. Nature is beauty. And then I have another one. They can always mark notes in that. Dream big. And once upon a time with a little card saying life is either great adventure or nothing. And these are all, like I said, out of file folders. And then you make me smile, magical, grateful, imagine. Lots of place to journal if you wish. Let your light shine. I thought that was appropriate. And then always believe something wonderful is about to happen. We've heard that one before. Sometime we need a little magic, but it happens. And then there's a magical enchantment. Beautiful, beautiful butterflies there. And the adventure begins. Escape, because the adventure begins. Escape your mind into your imagination. Not all who wanders are lost. Not all who wander are lost. And beautiful butterflies again. Make believe. That's all part of the whole idea. Memories are timeless treasures of the heart. And then we have into the woods. And then wonder often, wonder always. Wander always. Beautiful. And here it says gasp. Gasp. Wild by nature. Just beautiful. And then make a wish. The stars and the fireflies and so forth. I thought it fit really, really well with this. And the journey, which is another card. You say, you may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. There's a song made up with those words, exact words actually. And here's beautiful magic. I thought it was appropriate with a castle and everything being there. And life is too magical not to be enchanted by it. Again, beautiful view of the water and a gate and a castle, and just gorgeous. And off the beaten path, where there's a rock path going up there to find your dream. Or something magical. Life is too magical not to be enchanted by it. You have a smile that could light up this whole town. That's beautiful. And they lived happily ever after. And I have all the little fireflies that I put, these are all little stickers that I put down as fireflies. And then once upon a dream, go ahead, dream your dream. Looking at the sky with all the sparkles. And then you amaze me. Magical moment. Beautiful butterflies. Even the smallest person can change the course of the future. I would rather share one lifetime with you than face all of the ages of this whole world. And that's it. And now those who don't believe in magic will never find it. So this is my little journal, and with the spine here and all the file folders. Easy to make, fast to make. I know that I haven't filled it with magical things, but it's to be had for the recipient. And I didn't put a closure on it because it had plenty of room just to close. If they want a closure, I can always put one on. So this is Mivon, and I'm going to close for now. I just thought I'd share this. It's already finished, but it's beautiful. And you can check my website for more videos like this, or you can, if you like it, you can always click on that little like button. I'd appreciate that in YouTube. And on YouTube, I have my own channel. And have a great day. And most importantly, as I always say, be happy. Well, catch you later with some more crafty things from Yvonne at craftersguild.com.